Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the KT1 Bluetooth 5.3 headphones. These are KT1 in-ear wireless earbuds with digital display. Ooh, and 120 hours of playtime. IPX7 waterproof, and it comes with a deep bass Bluetooth function. These are earbuds for sports and of course for working and vacation too, of course. We have here the Q25 Bluetooth headphones. They are features Bluetooth 5.3 and an advanced panoramic antenna with 50% signal enhancements and a minimum latency of 42 milliseconds, ensuring a stable connection in complex environments. 120 hours play time and digital display is in the box too. These wireless earbuds can be used normally for 11 hours after a fully charged. With the charging case, we can enjoy 120 hours of playback time. Light emitted diodes digital display. We can always check the earphone's charging status and charging pin power. And this new design of the rubber rings firmly support is suitable for all types of ears. We have small ears can also wear, big ears, large ears as well, because there are 3 different sizes of them in the box too. The in-ear head size is very small. Because of that, they're comfortable to wear for a long time. And deep bass. The Bluetooth earbuds with 10mm graphene and dynamic speaker unit enhance the bass 3.0 technology, 43% more bass power. And these wireless headphones comes with the IPX7 nano coating technology. It can protect our headset from sweat and rain during strenuous exercise or daily use. We can wipe the charging pin with a dry cloth after use to prevent sweat corrosion, of course. This is no problem to make this. These are KT1 wireless earbuds. KT1. The vision is to invent new technologies that truly benefit the public and to create a culture where innovation and teamwork are paramount. To ensure that the values of conducting business ethically, responsibly, and with integrity are embedded throughout KT1 supply chain. They constantly monitor to ensure that each supplier meets the environmental, social, and governance standards of KT1. That's awesome. And it's really easy. We remove the protective film before charging, of course. We fully charge the earbuds and charging case. The charging case can be reloaded by using the USB to micro USB cable, which is included. You can dock this USB port to a car, cigarette lighter changing area, to a socket, to an AC adapter of your smartphone, to your computer, to your laptop, to every USB A device or a thought. Then we choose the right angle and ear tips. We have S, we have M, and we have L. S for small, M for medium, and L for large in the box. So you can easily remove and attach them to the earbuds to make a good fit into your ears. We take out the earbuds after fully charged. Then the earbuds automatic power on. Then we open the phone Bluetooth connection and we click to the Q25 to pairing. If the earbuds has any connection or function problems, we should reset them. We delete the Bluetooth pairing information on the phone. We take the earbuds into the charging case to charge, and we take it out the earbuds and wait for 20 seconds. Easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. Then, for operation, we have touch sensors on each earbud. For example, left and right. Left means play, right means pause if you tap 2 times on it. Then 2 seconds hold it, left for switch the song previous, right to switch to the next song. If we push once on the left side, we adjust the volume down. Right side, we adjust the volume up. 4 seconds, left or right, power on and power off. Of course, if your earbuds are paired with your smartphone and you will get a call, you can answer or hang up by pushing 2 times. Left to go to answer, right to hang up. 2 seconds, hold it, right or left, reject the call. And 3 times of tipping, right or left, your voice assistant will be enabled. Then we have a battery indicator. That means there are in percent are letters, 1 for no power, 100 for full power. Then we have indicator lights on each earbud. Pairing is flashing. Connected is no light, and charging is a red dot. A red dot is shown, then you know, oh, it's recharging. Really easy, really awesome, while you are at a workout. They're waterproof, good for sports. These are the KT1 Bluetooth 5.3 headphones. These are in-ear wireless earbuds with digital display. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.